So I want to show you one of my favorite styles that I wore on my recent trip to California. It's a hair out style, but keeps the sun off the back of your neck. And I'm going to try to, like, you know, jazz it up a little with a headband right now. So basically I've got my watercolor 2-in-1, and you kind of fold it in a triangle. I'm going to make it sort of blue is by my face because I like the blue. And then you put that over your head. So basically you fold it on an angle here. And then the shorter end, that's going to be the end that's hanging down. And the longer end is going to be the end that is going to be wrapped around. So basically the shorter end, you want to arrange that so it's just like laying down, and that's going to be the end that covers your neck. And then this, you want it to be in a good place by your forehead. So then take this side and wrap it around to secure everything. And you can kind of like change things up a bit. I'm actually going to add a headband. So yeah, just if there's any parts sticking out, tuck them in, and then spread this over so it's going to be kind of like acting like extra sun coverage. So kind of while I'm wrapping this around, I'm going to hold this here so it doesn't slip because I like the angle I have. I'm going to add this, the Sunkissed headband, because I just love it and I feel like it matches so well. I'm going to put it on an angle there. There we go. Oh, that looks so cool. I love it. And then you can have the fringes out, like you can basically bring it in. And then I'm just going to tuck it in right there, but you can leave the ends, fringy ends hanging out if you want. There you go. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love this. Such a great style.